Before you apply for a Canada visa after you've been denied, you need to watch this video. If you have been denied a Canada visa, whether it's a study permit, a visa, whatnot, don't apply before watching this video, because you need to make sure that before you apply, you know the reason why you were denied. A lot of people get the generic letter that states that you do not have sufficient funds, or the purpose for which you are going does not meet the criteria, and that you are not able to come, you don't have enough family time. But you need to be able to figure out what is the actual reason, and to do that, you need to get access to the visa officer's review note, right? And this is called the GCMS note. GCMS note. I know you may have heard of it. Before you can apply even for the GCMS note, you need to be a resident in Canada. Whether you are there as a visa, you have to have a physical location or presence in Canada. So I know most of you would be wondering, what if I don't know anybody? How do I go about it? There are a couple of ways that you can do it, and so I want you to stick with me to the end of this video, and I'm going to bring with you. Stay with me.